my biggest takeaway from the sports and entertainment business program is the opportunities that are out here in the Phoenix area and just the ability of your professors to put you in connection with some of those opportunities.
I never thought I'd have this big of a connection into the sports world just from like my teachers alone.
The number one opportunity that I've received was to be an ambassador for Stand Up for Cancer at the World Series. That has led to me just signing an internship with the Diamondbacks.
Miss Barry has been giving me opportunities to host stuff with the Diamondbacks, and even the club too, giving me small opportunities to go to the Savannah Bananas game.
I think this program differs from other programs mainly due to the hands-on experience that you get through some of the classes.
You get hands-on experience basically every week.
They're very involved in these real-world scenarios.
I'm getting more connections over time, and that's going to help me in the long run as I'll actually have people to talk to and have recommendations if I want to go into this business.
It's not by the book. They do a very good job of incorporating the outside world, things that you're going to need to know in your future, and they do a good job of helping you prepare. My professors have extremely well-rounded experience in the direction that I would like to go with my life. And I think that having that relationship with them, being able to reach out and ask them for questions, ask them for help, they're very, very kind. They're always there if you want to reach out. If you have any questions or if you're looking for an opportunity, as long as you show up and do the work, they're usually more than willing to help you out.
I'm just looking forward to take more of these classes because this is really what I want to go into. I'd love to be in the work of baseball, make a change, have teams win, you know.